Ever felt like your finances are a bit of a mystery? Like you're constantly juggling bills, trying to save, and somehow still ending up wondering where all your money went? You're not alone. Managing money can be a real headache, and that's where budgeting apps come in. There are tons out there, each promising to be the solution to your financial woes. But today, we're diving deep into one in particular, Emma App Pro. What is it? Is it worth the upgrade? And can it actually help you take control of your finances? That's exactly what we're going to find out. Now, before we jump into the Pro version, let's quickly recap what the Emma app is all about in general. Emma is a personal finance app designed to help you track your spending, create budgets, and ultimately improve your financial health. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions so you can see exactly where your money is going. This automatic categorization is a huge time saver. No more manually entering every single purchase. Emma does the heavy lifting for you. The free version of Emma offers a solid set of features. You can see your spending habits, set basic budgets, and get insights into your net worth. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to get a better handle on their finances. However, like many apps, Emma also offers a premium subscription, Emma Pro. This is where things get interesting. So, what exactly does Emma Pro offer that the free version doesn't? Let's break down some of the key features. One of the most significant upgrades is the advanced budgeting features. While the free version allows you to set basic budgets, Emma Pro takes things to the next level with custom categories and more granular control. You can create detailed budgets for specific areas of your life, like groceries, entertainment, or travel. This level of customization allows you to tailor your budgeting strategy to your unique needs and goals. Another key feature of Emma Pro is the ability to track your debt. If you have credit card debt, student loans, or other outstanding balances, Emma Pro can help you keep track of your progress and stay motivated to pay them off. It provides insights into your interest rates, minimum payments, and payoff timelines, empowering you to make informed decisions about your debt management strategy. Emma Pro also offers access to advanced analytics and reporting. You can generate detailed reports on your spending habits, income, and net worth, giving you a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. These reports can be incredibly valuable for identifying areas where you can save money or improve your financial health. They provide much deeper insights than the basic overviews you get in the free version. Beyond budgeting and debt tracking, Emma Pro also includes features like bill tracking and subscription management. It can help you keep track of your recurring bills and subscriptions, ensuring you never miss a payment and helping you identify any unnecessary expenses. This is especially useful in today's world of numerous digital subscriptions. It's easy to forget about a service you signed up for months ago, and Emma Pro helps you avoid those hidden costs. Another feature that many users find valuable is the Smart Rules feature. This allows you to automate certain tasks within the app, such as transferring money to savings or setting aside a specific amount for a particular goal. This automation can save you time and effort, making it even easier to manage your finances effectively. Now, let's talk about the cost. Emma Pro is a subscription service, so you'll need to pay a recurring fee to access its premium features. The pricing can vary depending on your region and any promotional offers that might be available. It's worth checking the Emma app or their website for the most up-to-date pricing information. This brings us to the crucial question, is Emma Pro worth the cost? The answer, as with many things, depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and you're looking for a comprehensive budgeting and financial management tool, then Emma Pro could be a worthwhile investment. The advanced budgeting features, debt tracking, detailed analytics, and automation tools can be incredibly valuable for achieving your financial goals. On the other hand, if you're just starting out with budgeting and you're not ready to commit to a paid subscription, the free version of Emma is a great place to begin. You can get a feel for the app's interface and basic features, and then decide if the Pro version is right for you down the line. Consider these points before making a decision. Your current financial situation, if you're struggling with debt or have complex financial needs, Emma Pro's features could be particularly helpful. Your budgeting style, if you prefer detailed, granular budgeting, Emma Pro's custom categories will be a significant advantage. Your tech savviness, if you're comfortable with using apps and exploring advanced features, you'll likely get more value out of Emma Pro. Your commitment to financial management, Emma Pro is a tool, and like any tool, it's only effective if you use it consistently. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to upgrade to Emma Pro is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer. Weigh the features against the cost, consider your own financial situation and goals, and make the choice that's right for you. It's also worth noting that Emma frequently updates their app, adding new features and improvements. So, even if you decide that Emma Pro isn't right for you today, it's always worth checking back in the future to see what new features they've added. They often listen to user feedback and incorporate suggestions into their updates. Remember, the goal of any budgeting app is to empower you to make informed financial decisions. Whether you choose the free version or the pro version, the most important thing is to be proactive about managing your money. No app can magically solve your financial problems, but they can provide the tools and insights you need to take control and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.